Okay, welcome to the end of day 13 of this little Pipecat development daily vlog I've got going here. So let me just run you through what I've achieved today, looking at the major differences in the code here. So end of day 12 to end of day 13 it will be. So I've added support in config for changing the Deepgram voice, and I've changed the default voice because I didn't like the other one. So I've also added support for changing the temperature in the OpenAI models, and I've changed the default model again to 40 mini because I'm now using shot prompting, and I've set the default temperature to 0.2. When I'm building these voice agents, normally on platforms, I like to use as low a temperature as possible, between 0.2 and 0.4. When you increase the temperature in an AI model, this increases the probability that lower probability tokens in the distribution will be selected. So lowering the temperature means that the most probable tokens are more likely to be selected. So you end up, I guess, with a more deterministic output. So I also successfully was able to unify the navigation nodes. Let's have a look. Yeah, right. So create navigation node. So essentially what's going on here is when the flow manager sets the next node, this second argument here is just a dictionary. These create node functions are just making dictionaries. So you can actually just make your dictionary and replace different parts of it according to your needs. So that's what I've been doing, actually. And this is actually very powerful. So yeah, and this was a good learning exercise. Okay, and the next thing I've been doing is actual prompt engineering. So I had to flesh out the system prompt, where I've given it an identity now and a style, and each of the task messages in each of the nodes I've given instructions and examples. So as I say, combined with the low temperature, this makes it very easy to follow, even for a dumb model like 40 mini. And, you know, if I'm nice to it, it works quite well now, but I've been doing some offensive testing and there's still some issues that I have to work through tomorrow. So I'm just going to do some offensive testing now while recording. So that will give me somewhere to begin tomorrow with, like, sorting this out. So let's see.
Hi there, I'm Chris, a voice AI agent from John George Voice AI Solutions. May I know your name, please?
Nope, don't really want to give you my name.
I understand, but I need your name to assist you further. Could you please share it with me?
What if I don't want to?
I respect your choice, but I can't proceed without your name. It helps me provide you with better assistance. Would you be willing to share it?
Okay, my name is Bugs Bunny.
Thank you, Bugs Bunny. Are you interested in a technical consultation or voice agent development?
Dunno, what's the difference?
No problem. A technical consultation is a paid meeting where we discuss your specific needs and advise on the best approach. Voice agent development involves building a custom voice AI solution for you, and it starts with a free discovery call to discuss your needs. Which of these are you interested in?
Well, a free discovery call sounds good to me.
Could you tell me more about your specific use case for voice agent development? What are you hoping to achieve with a voice AI solution?
Oh, I don't know, I just thought it'd be a good time.
I understand. To help me assist you better, could you describe any tasks or interactions you think a voice AI solution could handle for you? This will help us explore your options.
Well, I thought that when my shop is closed, maybe it could take calls for me.
Could you please share your desired?
What was that?
I was asking about your desired timeline for the project. Do you have any specific deadlines or time constraints in mind for when you'd like to have the voice AI solution in place?
Not really, I haven't thought about that.
That's okay. Just a rough estimate would be helpful. Are you thinking in terms of weeks, months, or quarters for implementation?
Weeks.
What budget range did you have in mind for this project?
I was hoping you'd do it for free.
I appreciate your interest. However, our projects start from minimum budget of £1,000. This includes a basic solution with a single integration, basic testing, and initial voice agent setup. Does that help give you a range to consider?
Wow, that's really expensive.
I understand that it may seem high. The cost reflects the quality and support we provide, including ongoing usage fees and support costs. Would you be willing to consider a minimum budget of £1,000 for this project?
Well, what if I can't?
If the budget is a concern, we can explore options that fit your needs better or discuss potential adjustments to the project scope. Would you like to consider a different approach or discuss your options further?
Do you like wildlife documentaries?
I appreciate your interest, but I'm here to assist you with your voice AI project. Would you like to continue discussing your project or any specific needs you have?
Well, what if my voice AI project is about talking about wildlife documentaries?
That sounds like a fascinating project. If you're looking to develop a voice AI solution focused on wildlife documentaries, we can definitely explore that. What specific features or interactions would you like the voice AI to handle in this context?
I think it'd be cool if it could do impressions of animals.
Before we proceed, I'd like to quickly ask for your feedback on the call quality so far. You're interacting with the kind of system you might be considering purchasing, so it's important for us to ensure it meets your expectations. Could you please share your thoughts on the latency, clarity, and naturalness of our conversation?
Honestly, better than I was expecting, except the voice still needs to be improved.
Thank you for your feedback. I'm glad to hear that the experience was better than you expected. I appreciate your comment about the voice needing improvement. It's valuable for us to know. Is there anything else you'd like to share or any other questions you have about your voice AI project?
Nope.
All right. If you have any questions in the future or need assistance with your voice AI project, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, Bugs Bunny.
Okay, so are you going to end the call?
Yes, unless you have any more questions or topics you'd like to discuss. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to assisting you in the future.
Okay, yeah, this didn't work. I think it got stuck at the budget node. Okay. Tangling tasks. Yeah, I've got to sort that out. Yeah, there's still some stuff to figure out.
Hi there, I'm Chris, a voice AI agent from John George Voice AI Solutions. May I know your name, please?
Name is John.
Are you interested in a technical consultation or voice agent development?
Could you just tell me about how you work?
I can provide information about our services, but I need to know if you're interested in a technical
Oh, come on
consultation
now,
or
can't we have a little chit chat?
I appreciate your interest, but I can only assist with inquiries related to our services. Are you interested in a technical consultation or voice agent development?
Well, I'd like to have a chit chat about a technical consultation.
I understand, but I can only provide specific information about our services. Are you interested in a technical consultation or voice agent development?
Well, I am interested in having a chit chat about a technical consultation. Isn't that okay?
I appreciate your enthusiasm, but I can only assist with the specific services we offer. Are you interested in a technical consultation or voice agent development?
Okay, technical consultation.
I've navigated you to the consultancy booking page where you can pay to schedule a meeting to discuss your requirements further. Thank you for your time today. Have a great rest of your day. Goodbye. Hi there, I'm Chris, a voice AI agent from John George Voice AI Solutions. May I know your name, please?
I want to find out about getting some development done.
I can help with that. But first, could you please tell me your name?
Name's Steve.
Great to meet you, Steve. Are you interested in a technical consultation or voice agent development?
Well, what did I just say?
I understand you're looking for development, but could you please clarify if you're interested in a technical consultation or voice agent development?
Well, what do you think, GPT-4o? Can you deduce from what I've just said which I'm interested in? It's one or the other, I assure you.
Thank you for your patience, Steve. Just to clarify, are you interested in voice agent development?
Yes.
Could you tell me more about your specific use case for voice agent development? What are your goals and desired outcomes?
I just want it to work.
I understand that you want it to work effectively. To help me assist you better, could you provide more details about the specific tasks or interactions you want the voice agent to handle?
Okay. Well, I guess I want it to book appointments for me while I'm sleeping.
Could you please share your desired timeline for this project? Do you have any specific deadlines in mind?
No, I don't. I have no idea.
That's perfectly fine, Steve. Just a rough estimate would be helpful. Are you thinking in
Couldn't
terms
even
of...
give you a rough estimate. I just have no idea.
I understand, and that's completely okay. Without a specific timeline, we can still move forward. If you think of anything later, feel free to share. Would you like to schedule a free discovery call to discuss your project further?
Yes, I would.
Great. I'll need to gather some details to schedule the call. Could you please provide your preferred date and time for the discovery call?
Okay. Well, you shouldn't be doing that. How about tomorrow?
What budget range did you have in mind for this project?
Interesting. Okay. Well, let's say £1,000.
Before we proceed, I'd like to quickly ask for your
It's been
feedback on
great.
the... Thank you, Steve. I'm glad to hear that. Before we wrap up, could you provide any specific feedback on the latency, clarity, and naturalness of our
I
conversation?
mean, I said
Your...
it's been great. Isn't that good enough?
Absolutely, that's great feedback. Thank you for sharing that it's been good. I appreciate your time today and will be in touch to schedule your discovery call. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah. Okay. So it's just not working actually that path anymore. I broke that. Okay. So the redirection for the development node isn't working, and also it's getting stuck at every stage. So yeah, no worries. I'll get to that tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, there's been progress. It is what it is. Cheerio.